Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by building the output line because orientation matters. Place your chest where all sorted items will collect. Once done, attach a hopper into the chest, facing toward it, and extend a hopper chain back from that first hopper to where items will arrive. Make sure you have comparators and redstone on hand now. You will use them to read hopper contents. This initial hopper chain forms the backbone of the sorter. Get this straight and leveling, because alignment determines consistent item flow and prevents jams. Next, build each filter module. Put a comparator facing out of the input hopper to detect item count, then run redstone dust to a block with a repeater leading into a redstone torch setup. You will configure the filter hopper with one slot containing 41 of the item to filter and 3 slots with a single placeholder item to prevent accidental flows. Once the comparator sees items, the redstone unlocks the hopper and lets exactly the filtered items pass. Make sure timing is tight so only intended items move through. Finish by linking every module to the main input line. Ensure each module has the input hopper feeding into its comparator and that all repeaters and torches are consistent. Now test using single stack insertions of each item type to confirm they route correctly into their chests. If items pile up or go to wrong bins, make sure comparators are directly reading the correct hopper, hoppers face the proper direction, and filter hoppers contain exactly the designed counts. One key troubleshooting tip: a single misplaced hopper breaks an entire lane. Recheck facing first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.